Should I start? Hello, everybody. How are you doing? My name is Dr. Kunle Fowowe. I'm a naturopathic expert. I help people with the use of herbal medicine. Today, I want to talk about fertility, causes of infertility, and several things as well. But firstly, let me be talking about fibroids, ovarian cysts, endometriosis, adenomyosis, blocked fallopian tube, ovarian cyst, and pelvic inflammatory disease. Now, let me talk about fibroid first. I know a lot of you have heard what fibroid is all about. You already know what fibroid is all about. The most popular way through which you can get rid of fibroid is by doing surgery. But we've had cases where a lot of people have done surgery and they have been having regrowth after first, second, or the third surgery, and they tend to want to give up or they get frustrated. And a lot of people have used so many teas, so many herbal products out there. Some we have seen even on this same platform, and some that we have bought in other platforms, and they tend to lose hope, thinking herbal medicine doesn't work. There's no other solution that can get rid of fibroids. One thing a truthful gynecologist will tell you is if you are doing surgery, try and get pregnant in less than 6 months after the surgery, or else the fibroid will regrow. Why it's still regrowing? So far your body is still producing estrogen. The major cause of fibroid growth is because of excess secretion of estrogen in the system due to hormonal imbalance and some things that are not really good for your body that a lot of women have been eating. Now, most time when surgery is done, they cut off the fibroid away from the uterus, but the root is still there. So far the root is still there and the woman is still producing estrogen, the fibroid will always regrow. And the reason why a lot of people might have used a lot of teas and a lot of other products and they did not get results is not because those products are not potent enough, but some of those products are not powerful enough to penetrate the calcified fibroids, especially the fibroids that are hard like stone. Most fibroids that are bigger than 3 centimeters or they are multiple, they are always very, very hard. So if something is not dissolving, the fibroid will not shrink. That's why today I'm here to introduce to us a product called Fibrocare Enervate Powder. Fibrocare Enervate Powder is made from herbal components and also sea foods and sea animals which has the power to dissolve the calcification of the fibroid, to soften the fibroids, to weaken it and deaden it to the root. Once those 3 things are done, it's very easy to shrink fibroid. Now, those of you that when you touch your tummy, you're always having a very strong stomach, when you touch it's very hard like stone, or maybe when you are doing your period it's always like hell, especially those that are having adenomyosis and endometriosis, or even fibroids as well, that you're always having heavy periods. This product is what you need first to soften, weaken and deaden the fibroid to the root. Then after that, we can now use a product that we call Abudex insertion pills. This Abudex insertion pills is the pill that helps to drag out the fibroid. It works for fibroids, ovarian cysts, adenomyosis and endometriosis, and people that have blocked fallopian tube. You might have been having pelvic adhesion or blocked fallopian tube for a long time and you don't know any product that can help you to open the tube. This product will open the pelvic adhesion and also open the blocked fallopian tube, whether it's caused by sarcoiditis or caused by any other cause, PID, to block the fallopian tube. The same thing for the adenomyosis patients, the same thing for the endometriosis and fibroids. And also, one of the major things that causes a lot of people not to be able to get pregnant in time is hormonal imbalance. Hormonal imbalance is when your 3 hormones, primary hormones, are not balanced: your progesterone, your estrogen and your prolactin levels, especially those that when they press the mammary gland is always bringing out milk, that is caused by high prolactin. You are having hormonal imbalance. To get pregnant like that is always very, very hard. The product that you need for that is this hormonal imbalance and female corrective. These 2 products will help in balancing your hormones. Also, for those that are having issues with their ovulation, when they are not able to ovulate well, is because your follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormones on the ovary is not balanced as well. That's why you are not able to ovulate well, and this is the product that you need: ovulation booster combined with female corrective. That is what you need to balance your luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormones, which helps you to boost your eggs. And when you're having quality eggs and quality sperm is entering you, you'll be able to get pregnant easily. And for those that are also having pelvic inflammatory disease, don't joke with pelvic inflammatory disease. This is the product that you need, both the capsule and the liquid. If you're having PID, you're having hormonal imbalances, this is the product that you need to help you to clear the PID. Once PID is cleared, pregnancy is very, very possible. And also, for those of us that we want to use the liquid shrinker after we have finished using Enavit powder. If you don't want to go for Abudex sensation pill, you can go for the liquid shrinker as well. The liquid shrinker is still 8,000 naira. It's a 2-liter bottle. You can see it. Then Abudex sensation pills, a therapy is 35,000 naira. But when you are doing more than one therapy, I always give people discount. You will have 2,500 discount on it. Then the Enavit powder is 10,000 naira. But when you are buying more than one, you have 1,000 naira discount on it. This hormonal imbalance, this big one, is 5,000 naira, while the capsule is 4,000 naira combined. Both of them will be. Then how long you have been having the issue is what determines what you'll be combining. Then for the female corrective as well is 4,000 naira. Any of the things, chat me on WhatsApp. My number still remain 081 83 80 9060. We have so many testimonies. It is to God's glory. We have so many testimonies. When you chat me on WhatsApp, I will send you many testimonies of delivered fibroids. I will send you many testimonies of people that have been using Enavit powder, even with people that have started with just even one pack. You are going to see results. We are not the type that maybe we create testimonies or we like. They are very real. Their numbers are there. You can even call them to speak to them. Most of them are in my fertility group. If you are in Lagos also, you can visit our office at Suite 22, Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road at Agege in Lagos. My number still remain 081 83809060. Then if you want to ask any question, don't type how much. Please. There is nobody. Have you ever seen a doctor attending to a patient without going through their case file? I need to know what is wrong with you. I need to know what you are going through. I need to know what you have been experiencing. I need to see your scan results. Whether you are having fibroid, ovarian cysts, adenomyosis, or endometriosis, or you are even having what do we call it, PID, or you are even having blood fallopian tube. I need to see results that show me. If you are having infection, I need to see the level of the growth. That's when I can now say, okay, this is what you are needing. If you see anybody attending to you without asking you to bring out either tests, result or scan result, that person is not helping you. I need to know. It's when I know everything you have been going through, that's when I can attend to you. Now, like I said, no matter how big the fibroid is, with God's help, the fibroid will be delivered. No matter how big it is, don't panic or let anybody give you false hope that maybe your situation is not something you can have. Every woman has the ability to deliver. Let's solve the hindrance on the way, and with God all things are possible. You'll be able to get pregnant. We have a lot of testimonies. And for those that their men also are having issues with their sperm count, whether it's azoospermia, that means no sperm count, or whether it's oligospermia, that is low sperm count, or whether they are having infection. And infection that are always causing infertilities are majorly staphylococcus. Are you getting me now? We have syphilis as well. We have what do we call it? Staphylococcus, syphilis. We have E. coli. We have chlamydia. Then for women generally, we have candidiasis. All these things are treatable. And I will guide you as well. There are foods that you don't take when you are treating all these things. Whether it's fibroids, whether it's ovarian cysts, whether it's adenomyosis, whether it's endometriosis, whether it's infection. Chat me on WhatsApp, and I will guide you right. Then most time when you chat me, if I didn't reply in time, pick a call and call me straight. Or you can do video calls as well if you want to speak to me. Anything you are ordering in Lagos, you do payment on delivery. But if it's outside Lagos, you pay ahead. Dr. Kunle is not somebody that is hidden anywhere. I'm here in Agege, Suite 22 Block A, Primatech Shopping Plaza, Iju Road, Agege in Lagos. I'm sent to help you, and I know that God will answer you through our platform. Thank you very much. I love you.